digital, analog, ham.
Right, hi everybody, it's Chris 2E0UKH, and getting a lot of questions about programming up these radios for the space station repeater. So what you want to do, this is the RT systems. I'll show you the ADMS software in a minute. You need to program up 5 channels, with the middle channel being the actual frequency, the published frequency. So the receive is 437,800, the transmit is 145,990, offset frequency is blank with a offset direction which is called split. And you want it in FM, of course, and give it a name, so the center one ISS 0, with a tone mode of tone and a CTCSS code 67. Leave everything else default, and you want to right mouse click on that channel number and copy that and paste 2 in either side, 2 below it and 2 above it. And the 2 above it, you want to change the receive frequency to first one above it to plus 5 kilohertz, that's 437,805. The one above it 437,810. The one below it 437,795. The one below that 437.790. And change the name accordingly, so you can see where you are. When the space station comes towards you, you start on the higher frequency, and as it's getting nearer, you go to the next one down. When it's overhead, you're on the frequency, dead on the frequency, near enough. And as it's going away from you, it's using the lower frequencies. And on the ADMS software, I'll just put that over the top. You set up 5 channels. I'm just going to move it to the side. We don't need to see the leftmost information. So I'm just going to make it bigger on the screen. Okay, yeah, that nearly fits on. So the middle channel, again, 437,800, receive with a transmit 145,990. Offset frequency of 0 with the offset direction as plus minus. In FM mode, give it a name just like before. Tone mode, tone, CTCSS frequency 67, that's your tone. All the transmit tones, they've all got to be present on all the channels. So get one, make a channel like that, copy it and paste one either side. Paste one on the lower channel and another one below that. Paste one line above it and a line above that, and just alter the receive frequencies so that the one above it is 437,805. The one above that, the receive frequency is 437,810. And I'm reading them all out because there's blind users listening. I know that because I get tons of emails. The one below it, -5, is 437,795. And the one below that, 437,790. And same again, when it's coming towards you, you start on the highest channel, working your way down to the lower channel. The Doppler effect seems to be have more of an effect on the higher frequencies like UHF. So for that reason, we leave the transmit frequency the same. You can experiment, and if you're not having much success, this is a starting point. I'm no expert, but I have had about 6 different occasions contacts, and so will you, because it's not that difficult. I've done it on a rubber duck, done it on a beam, done it on a quarter wave in my loft, homemade quarter wave. So that's the channels, and you can follow along on all makes of radios. You know, just look how you normally make a repeater channel, but don't have an offset. Have it in split and plus minus mode, and with a tone of 67, and give it a name, and that's all there is to it. Put it in the comments if you've hit the space station. Right, so I just reviewed the footage I just recorded, and it didn't show on the screen the tones. So to the right you can see the tones. Tone mode is tone, and CTCSS 67. 7-3 everybody, 2E0 UKH.